doesn't love to eat crispy chicken lollipops at the beginning of a delicious Chinese meal, or sometimes as the entire meal itself? Chicken lollipops are one of the most popular, famous and loved Indian Chinese dishes, and you're now about to see how to make it at home. Presenting Spice Fry's Make at Home Crispy Chicken Lollipop recipe. A chicken wing is generally used to make chicken lollipops, so let's see how to transform these wings. Cut or break the wing into two, separating it at the joint. Now one of the parts will evidently be fleshier and will have a single bone that is covered by the flesh. This is the part that we are going to use to make our chicken lollipop. Cut the tendons joining the bone and the muscle at the slender end, as you can see in the video, and then pull down the flesh to form it into a lollipop shape. Repeat the same process for all the pieces. Once all your pieces are done, marinate them in salt, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, and dark soy sauce. Mix it well and keep it aside while we prepare the batter. For the batter, you'll need 4 tablespoons corn flour, 3 tablespoons rice flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients well and then pour water little by little to get the desired consistency. Dip the marinated lollipop into the batter and coat well, and then drop it into the hot oil for frying. Remove the lollipops from the oil once the outer layer becomes crispy, and then serve this hot along with Szechuan sauce. So the next time you have a gathering at home, we hope you will be serving your guests some yummy chicken lollipops as well. Also, watch out for a recipe of chicken honey chili lollipops that is going to be coming soon. And now before I sign out, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.